Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to see about the data communication. Data communication is nothing but an exchange of data between two devices through some form of transmission, such as wired or wireless. Here, the process of exchanging data between two or more devices through some form of transmission medium that is agreed upon the rules, that is protocols. It is called data communication. There are key elements present in the data communication are message, sender, receiver, transmission medium and protocol. First we will see about the message. Message is nothing but the actual data or information that to be sent. That message can be in the format of text, images, audio, video, etc. Next comes the sender. The device that sends the message is a sender. Example, computer, smartphone, sensor, etc. Next comes the receiver. The device that receives the message is the receiver. Example like server, printer and another computer, etc. Next comes the transmission medium. The physical or wireless path is a transmission medium. Example, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, radio waves, etc. Next comes the protocol. It is a set of rules that governs how the data is transmitted and received. Example, TCP/IP, HTTP, etc. Next comes the characteristics of data communication. For an effective data communication, the following characteristic is needed: delivery, accuracy, timeliness, jitter control. First, we will see about the delivery. The data must reach the correct destination. Second comes the accuracy. The data should be received exactly as sent. It should not be modified. Next comes the timeliness. Data should arrive in the expected time frame. Next is jitter control. It is specifically important in multimedia, ensuring even spacing of data packets. Next comes the modes of data communication. Here, the transmission mode is contains three types. One is simplex, second one is half duplex, third one is full duplex. We will see each one in detail. Simplex mode. See the diagram. It means that one-way communication. Simplex is mode is nothing but one way of communication. Like example, keyboard to computer. The keyboard, when it is typing, that will be displayed in a computer screen. The advantage of using simplex mode is it is the easiest and most reliable mode of communication. It is also the cost effective mode because it requires one communication channel and there is no need for coordination between the transmitting and receiving devices, which simplifies the communication process. It is specifically or particularly used in situations where feedback or response is not required. Example, broadcasting or in a situation of a surveillance. The disadvantage of simplex mode is as follows. It is only one way of communication is possible. There is no way to verify if the transmitted data has been received correctly. In a simplex mode, it is not suitable for applications that require bidirectional communication. This is about the simplex mode of communication. Next comes the half duplex. Half duplex is two-way but one direction at a time. The simple example for half duplex is walkie-talkies. Here, here after one is sending, the other one will be receiving. After receiving, the other one can send the data. So like this it is possible for communication. The advantages of half duplex mode is it allows for bidirectional communication, which is useful in situations where devices need to send and receive data. It is more efficient mode of communication than simplex, as a channel can be used for both transmission and reception. In the half duplex mode, it is less expensive than full duplex mode as it requires only one communication channel. Next comes the disadvantages of half duplex mode. Half duplex mode is less reliable than full duplex mode as both devices cannot transmit at the same time. There is a delay between transmission and reception which can cause problem in some applications. There is a need for coordination between the transmitting and receiving devices, which can complicate the communication process. This is all about the half duplex mode of communication. Next comes the full duplex. Here, two-way communication is possible, that too simultaneous communications. Example for full duplex is phone call. While making a call at both the send, the client or the other person also can communicate at the same time. The advantages of using full duplex is it allows for simultaneous bi-directional communication, which is ideal for real-time applications like video conferencing or online gaming. The second is it is most efficient mode of communication since both devices can transmit and receive data simultaneously. It has or it provides a high level of reliability and accuracy as there is no need for error correction mechanism. Disadvantages of full duplex mode is as follows. It is most expensive mode because it requires two communication channels. It is more complex than simplex and half duplex modes because it requires two physical separate transmission paths or division of channel capacity. There are many types of data communication is available. One is analog communication, the other one is digital communication. As you see in the diagram, analog it uses continuous signals like a traditional telephony. But in the case of digital communication, it uses a discrete signals like computer networks. That's all about an introduction of computer or data communication. Thank you.